Hi whole class! In today's maths lesson we're going to look at odd and even numbers, and you might be wondering what that is all about. First, let's look at some numbers to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got our numicon shapes, and some of them look a bit different. The shapes at the top, they've all got a flat top, haven't they? But the shapes at the bottom, they've got a little bobbly square sticking up, so they're not flat. So what's the same and what's different? You can see all the ones that have got a flat top on that side. And you can see all the ones with a little bobbly sticky up one on that side. If you have a shape with a sticky up bobbly bit, that's an odd shape, that's an odd number. And if you have a shape like number 10 that's flat, that's an even number. That's not odd. It's even. Let's have a look. So we can see a flat top here for number 4, a flat top here, no bobbly sticky up number 1. Look, like there and there and there and there. Ooh, I don't think these have been sorted properly. Look, this 1 just by itself is odd. That's in the wrong place, I think. Yes, look. That's better. All of these shapes on this side are odd. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And all of these shapes on this side are even. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Ooh, you might have heard me count in 2s before when I've been counting objects next to each other. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, odd and even numbers. 1, 2 is even. 3 is odd. 4 is even. 5 is odd. 6 is even. 7 is odd. 8 is even. 9 is odd. And 10 is even. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are even numbers. Let's have a look on the tens frame. 1 is odd. It hasn't got a partner to match up with to make it equal. It's odd. 2 is equal. 3 is odd. You can see this little bit here now. It's not flat at the top, is it? It's odd. 4 is equal. Odd. Even. Equal. Even. Odd. Even. Odd. Even. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6 or an 8. Look, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 10 is even. Look, the number 10 ends in a 0. Even though it's got a 1 here, the last digit is a 0. So that means that whole number is even. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. We can count in 2s to know our even numbers. Let's have a go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Shall we say that again? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We can also count in twos to know our odd numbers. We start counting at number 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, can you sort these into odd and even numbers? So on your page, I want you to write odd and draw a line, and on the other side write even, and write down which numbers should be on the odd side and which should be on the even. Pause the video now and have a go, and then come back and let's see how you got on. Okay, well done. Let's have a look. Did you get that as your answer? Let's check them out. So the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and the even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now you're going to do that same activity but with bigger numbers. Now you might be thinking, well, Mrs. Jackson hasn't told us about some of these bigger numbers. Just remember to look at the second digit, the last digit on the big numbers. So if it's a 4 in 14, if number 4 is an even number, that means that number 14 is an even number, okay? If number 11 finishes with a 1 and 1 is an odd number, that means that number 11 is an odd number. Okay, off you go. Pause the video and then come back. Okay, a little bit more tricky that time, wasn't it? Shall we have a look? This is what you should have had. So all of these numbers on this side are odd. 3 and 7 and 9. 11 is odd. Do you remember 10 was even, so 11 would have one more on the numicon shapes if there was an 11. And 15, because 5 is an odd number, 15 is odd too. The even numbers, we know about 0, we know about 10, we know about 6. But number 12, the last digit is a 2. So number 12 is even. Number 18, the last digit's 8. So number 18 is even. And 14, the last digit is a 4. That makes 14 even. You can even do the same activity with number words. So if you want to pause the video now and have a go at that, you can do. Okay, the first job is to read the words, isn't it? Oh, I can read this one. 10. And I can remember that 10 was an even number. Special friend 3. I can remember 3 was odd. 0. That was an even number, wasn't it? 6. 2, 4, 6. That was an even number. Some of these other words now. 12. I wonder where you put 12. 18. Is that odd or even? 11 and 19. Shall we have a look? There they are. So 3, 11, 18 and 19 are all odd, and 0, 6, 10 and 12 are all even. If you found today's lesson a bit tricky, practice counting in twos like this. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And they're all your even numbers up to 10. And then have a go like this. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. They're all your odd numbers to 10. Well done, whole class. I'll see you tomorrow for some more maths.